In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the bottom left corner. If you can't see it, select this gear at the top. Scroll down and tap on voice input located in Samsung keyboard settings. Then apply the best option for you, Samsung or Google one. Let's start with Samsung. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on the same microphone again. If you wish to try a Google voice input instead of Samsung one, just click on it in the same settings and also go back to your keyboard right away. Then click on microphone at the bottom left corner. And if you see this blue button, start typing. To stop, click on the button. To start again, select the same, now white one. Lastly, to go back to your standard keyboard, just tap on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!